leveraging media for the promotion and awareness of Ayurveda and business of Ayurveda. Just a couple of months back, we all celebrated Diwali, and a week before Diwali, the entire Ayurveda community woke up to a pleasant surprise. It was a news which stated that more than 150 countries across the world were gearing up to celebrate Ayurveda Day. A couple of months before that was another news which spoke about the reach or the business value of Ayurveda products in India, and of course there were a couple of other news also which spoke about the reach of Ayurveda in terms of the global. So all of these have one common thing, which is media. I'll be coming to that shortly. At the same time, in the context of awareness, what exactly do people perceive about Ayurveda? So there was this survey conducted by NSSO, the National Sample Survey Office, which was for the period of 22 to 2023, and quite a few interesting findings which came out of it. And this was a very huge survey which included households of to the level of 2 lakh and family members from both the urban areas as well as the rural areas. And some of the interesting findings that came out of this, which was quite surprising to me also, to be very honest, was that close to 95% of both urban and rural households are aware of the Ayush system of medicine. The second thing was at least one family member was aware of at least a preventive measure or a home remedy which was aligned with Ayush, which was again something which was quite surprising, because we generally tend to think that the current world is into modern medicine. I know I'm not supposed to be using the word modern medicine after what Dr. Mohan sir said, but yeah, in that flow, one family member from each household, about 85% of those were aware of it.